I've been exploring the INTCH Networking app lately, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review. We're going to break down its key features, benefits, and some potential drawbacks. So by the end of this video, you'll know if INTCH is the right app to grow your network in 2025. So what exactly is the INTCH app? INTCH is a smart networking platform designed to help professionals build valuable connections based on genuine needs and mutual interests. Unlike traditional networking apps, INTCH uses AI to match you with people who can help you, and people you can help, creating a give-and-take community. One of its standout features is the AI-powered matching system. You set up your profile, list what you're looking for, like new clients, job opportunities, or expert advice, and INTCH connects you with relevant people every day. Another great benefit is the daily networking tasks. Every day, the app sends you a set of personalized introductions, making it super easy to stay active and grow your network without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, INTCH has a strong focus on helpful networking, meaning you're encouraged to assist others with their requests, which boosts your visibility and reputation in the community. It feels more authentic and less transactional than some other platforms. However, there are a couple of things to consider. While the app offers a free version, premium subscriptions unlock more daily connections and advanced features, so you want to weigh if the upgrade fits your networking goals. Also, since INTCH is still growing, depending on your industry or location, you might find the network size a bit limited compared to larger platforms like LinkedIn. Overall, INTCH offers a refreshing and modern approach to professional networking. If you're looking for an app that prioritizes meaningful connections over endless scrolling, this could be a great fit for you. But as always, make sure it aligns with your goals before you dive in. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, make sure to give this video a super thanks by clicking on that heart icon to support the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.